Have you ever wondered how your microwaves work? Where they're going? Where they came from? Who they are? What it is? How to do it? These are some of the most Googled questions this summer. Today I'm going to dive into all of this and more as we discover the miracle of the microwave. My name's Lexi and this is For Your Information, the miracle of the microwave. Get ready to open your mind. Maybe Christmas is more than just about presents. The truth has been under my nose the whole time, or behind my ears. George Washington was the first president of the United States of America.
There has been suspicious activity on your Visa credit card ending in 735.
Oh, that's okay, I can figure it out.
What do you mean?
I don't need your help, I can figure out what's going on with my card. I
host a television show, for crying out loud.
Why does New York deserve its own fashion week? My name's Lexi, and this is For Your Information, the miracle of the microwave. The history of the microwave. Ancient civilizations were unsure of how to use the microwave, so they just used the clock part. They were an extremely punctual people. I didn't invent the microwave, but I could have, if I just was given a little bit more time. Before people had microwaves, they had to buy the crappy knockoffs on Amazon, and they didn't work very well. First microwave was actually 6 feet tall and weighed 750 pounds, and 2/3 of America still has the first gen microwave in their kitchen. The microwave today. The average person has averaged 6 microwaves spread throughout their home and backyard. They spread them out because it makes them look more wealthy. If you kept them all in one spot, that wouldn't make any sense. I proved it to be true that you can actually see your reflection in the microwave. Most people actually leave their microwave in their kitchen rather than carrying it with them as they travel from room to room of their home. But some people still travel with the microwave throughout their home, and it's okay. To each their own. Especially when it comes to microwaves. Some people have a special connection to their microwave. That's why microwaves have the handle. Carry it around. Now imagine 100 microwaves lined up in a row. It's like a lot of microwaves. Most people never use their microwave because they don't know how it works. Same with phones, TVs, and computers. They just sit unused in the house. The microwave is elevated because we worship the microwave because of how advanced its technology is. It's like, I have great respect for microwaves. So if you see a microwave that is for free on the side of the road, you should not touch it. We will never fully understand the power and majesty of a microwave. We are discovering new things about the microwave every single day. It's just one of those things where you find out something new and then you have 10 more questions about it. It's like, holy cow, this is a never-ending question train. We have no idea how the microwave works. Woo! It's like, I don't know. Just like,
when you had that third failure in a row, did you think, I need to pack this in?
Never.
Elon Musk could buy every person in America 1.2 microwaves. 0.2 microwaves doesn't sound like a lot, but any little bit helps. When I Googled the fact, I thought we were each gonna get like hundreds of microwaves, so that just shows how out of touch I am with reality. The microwave and me. I always have my microwave going because like Why not? I once set a microwavable bag of popcorn on fire. So I must have some supernatural powers I'm unaware of. Anyway, my mom grabbed it and threw it out in the front yard and saved all of us kids and wasn't trying to harm anyone. One time my friend asked me if she could use the microwave. I was like, okay. Why? Forbes 40 Under 40 is the top 40 people who are most successful who have 40 microwaves. Best measure of success is how many microwaves you have. Some things to talk about while the microwave cooks your food. Your first experience using microwave. Any funny stories or events that happened that involve microwaves. These don't have to be your own personal stories. They can be stories that you have heard from other people, but please just make sure to cite your sources. A time a special microwave saved your life. A time a microwave almost killed you. Your favorite foods to microwave and their approximate microwave times. Your favorite microwave riddles. How the microwave works. People say you don't live in a vacuum and you also don't live in a microwave either. And I feel like that's a good reminder. So I said it. The future of microwaves. More colors and styles and customization options to the point where it will be a little overwhelming. Your microwave will be able to tell you your height and weight. Microwaves will be able to see the future. Maybe some that you can take under the water with you. To clean your microwave, you take it outside and you spray it down with the power washer. And then you sand it down with 80 grit sandpaper. The dangers of microwaves. Wait a few minutes before you eat your microwave food to avoid burns. Here, let me draw you a picture. It's an elephant. They might grow wings and fly away, but I wouldn't take it too personally. Your microwave could potentially steal hundreds of thousands of dollars from you, even after you welcomed it into your home with open arms. Whether you're a seasoned microwaver or you are just hearing about the contraption for the first time, I hope what I said today was shocking. Like completely shocking that you won't sleep for a couple nights. And I hope you'll spread the good news about microwaves and remember that I almost invented it. And this is for your information, the miracle of the microwave.